Aletha with WTI. My kids love to collect shells on the beach. I never knew what to do with them until I got the KeShi Rotary tool set. It comes with all of the tools that I need to make awesome crafts. This is an awesome tool set because it does more than just grind. It does everything from drilling. It also engraves and carves. I can also use it to grind, as well as polish and even sand. So this little tool is a lifesaver. I can create all kinds of crafts, from jewelry to engraving, personalized cups and glasses. I love this tool because it not only keeps me busy, but it keeps the kids busy as well. It's easy to operate. By pressing the button, it gives you 3 different speeds. 1, 2, 3. The higher the speed, the faster the drill goes. It's very small, so it holds very nicely in the palm of my hand. All I have to do is screw off the cap, insert the tool that I want, and then I can just do all of the different types of crafts that are amazing. I love the KeShi Rotary tool set. I highly recommend it, and that is just my point of view.